spending hundreds on AI tools monthly? Stop. I tested the best free alternatives that actually compete with premium versions. Here's what you need to know. Most creators waste money on paid tools with features they'll never use. Free AI platforms like ChatGPT, Claude's free tier, and Canva AI deliver 80% of the results for zero cost. Perfect for testing workflows before investing. We'll show you exactly which ones deserve your attention today. Number 1. ChatGPT free version, unlimited writing, coding, brainstorming. Number 2. Perplexity, a real-time research with sources. Number 3. Hugging Face advanced models for power users. Number 5. Remove Dag image editing, all completely free, zero credit card required. Game-changing for solopreneurs, completely free, zero credit card required. Game-changing for solopreneurs with wonder-tating aid, all completely free, zero credit card required. With game-changing for pay when you hit usage limits affecting income. If free ChatGPT's slower speed costs you client deadlines, upgrade. Need API integration for automation? Pay plans unlock that. Volume-based work like 50 images monthly. Premium saves time. But honestly, most freelancers succeed purely on free tier optimizations. Use free tools for brainstorming and drafts. Upgrade only specific tools that directly generate revenue. Stack free options. ChatGPT tier covers most needs. This hybrid method costs under $50 monthly while maintaining professional catches. Do this. Drop a comment which free AI tool surprised you mostly while maintaining professional quality. Smart creators do this. Drop a comment which free salvage tool surprised you most. Don't forget to like and subscribe for weekly tool breakdowns that save you money.